everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video on a few items that were gifted to me by a brand called Dresslily. They asked me if I wanted to review and try on some clothes. I had a look on their website and I fell in love with quite a few things, so I was like, yes I will do this. Okay, so the first item is this. This is actually my favourite thing that I got. Like, if you go on there, if you're after alternative, goth, whatever kind of clothes, if you go on there and search for Halloween, you will get so much stuff. Like, I could not believe how much stuff was on there that was like my style. I was like, I just want to order it all. But I didn't. But anyway, yes, this. It is kind of like a hoodie, but it doesn't have a hood. Instead, it has this spider web detail. It's like a really nice thin kind of hoodie. It's not too, too thick. I'm definitely going to wear this throughout the summer. It does have pockets as well, which is amazing. It's not the normal sort of hoodie material. It is a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit shinier. But it's not. I've had stuff that is really shiny and it's not very nice. This is not that, but it is not normal hoodie material, if that makes any sense. Probably not. But yeah, this is it. I love this. This is my favourite thing that I got. So then we move on to this beautiful thing, which is just a little cami top, which has got these details on it. It has got these buckles and the tartan kind of detail, as well as a zip going down here. This is really, really soft material. Let's come off the thing. The back is just plain, but this is absolutely gorgeous. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I know I'm getting that. That's exactly my style. I love this. So next we have this, which is a beautiful black, I want to say cardigan kind of thing, but it's not cardigan material. It's very, very silky, very, very beautiful. It's like a waterfall kind of design, but it's got the red and black stripes on it. Again, has got pockets, lovely sleeves, and yeah, this is a really nice length and everything. It's got the stripy detail on the back as well. Yeah, I just love this. I love this detail at the front. Just adds a little something extra to it. Really like this. So you know how I was saying if you search for Halloween on there, you'll find some good stuff. So I found this. Looks kind of just like a hoodie with a red insert. But it is actually a cape, and it is a bat cape. It's got that kind of bottom to it. And also on the back, it does have this bat, and there's the hood. I just, I love this so much. Just, it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this stuff. Love it. And then lastly, we have this, which is confusing as hell to hang up. It is a, it's got dog hairs on it. How has it got dog hairs on it? It's literally been hung up. But anyway, it's this. These go over your arms. It's hell to try and hang up. I'm not even lying. Yeah. But these go over your arms, and it's really pretty. It's very floaty. Black, of course. And yeah, I just love this. That is everything I got. As I said, there is one item that is still waiting to be shipped. I don't know if I will get that one or not, but yeah, these things are beautiful. I love them. So I'm going to now attempt to show them you on. I don't know how this is going to go because I literally haven't done this in many, many years. But anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll put links and stuff in the down bar if you want to go and have a gander. And yeah, see you all soon. Adios. Bye.